Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Polestar 4 showroom walk around. Polestar 4 is the embodiment of cutting-edge design, electrifying performance, and futuristic innovation. It redefines what an electric SUV coupe can be, delivering an unparalleled driving experience that blends luxury, sustainability, and technology in perfect harmony. With its streamlined silhouette and aerodynamic profile, Polestar 4 is a statement of progressive design, engineered to stand out in any environment. The absence of a rear window enhances its sleek aesthetics while pushing the boundaries of traditional automotive design, ensuring an immersive and futuristic experience for both driver and passengers. Inside, Polestar 4 offers a sanctuary of modern luxury. The cabin is meticulously crafted with premium, sustainable materials that redefine automotive interiors. The spacious layout, combined with an advanced infotainment system, ensures an intuitive and seamless user experience. The high-resolution digital displays provide essential information with clarity, while the intelligent voice control system allows effortless interaction. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the precision stitching on the seats, reflects a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Performance is at the core of Polestar 4. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers breathtaking acceleration, making every drive exhilarating. The instant torque response provides a dynamic yet smooth ride, ensuring power is always at your command. The meticulously tuned chassis offers exceptional handling, striking a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. Whether navigating urban streets or cruising on highways, Polestar 4 offers a confident and engaging driving experience. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, Polestar 4 ensures an impressive electric range, allowing drivers to travel long distances without compromise. The ultra-fast charging capability minimizes downtime, making road trips more convenient than ever. Intelligent energy management optimizes efficiency, while regenerative braking enhances range and sustainability. Every aspect of Polestar 4 is designed to provide an eco-friendly yet high-performance driving experience. Technology in Polestar 4 is seamlessly integrated to enhance convenience, safety, and entertainment. The advanced driver assistance systems provide an extra layer of security, ensuring a safe and relaxed drive. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance systems work in unison to protect passengers and pedestrians. The AI-powered infotainment system is designed to learn user preferences, delivering personalized recommendations for navigation, music, and comfort settings. Connectivity is a key feature of Polestar 4, offering a seamless integration of digital services. The built-in Google-powered interface provides access to Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play, ensuring effortless navigation and entertainment. Over-the-air software updates ensure that Polestar 4 remains at the forefront of innovation, constantly evolving to meet the needs of modern drivers. Sustainability is deeply embedded in Polestar's philosophy, and Polestar 4 is no exception. Designed with responsibly sourced materials, it prioritizes environmental consciousness without compromising luxury. Recycled textiles, vegan upholstery options, and ethically sourced aluminum contribute to a reduced carbon footprint. Every decision, from material selection to manufacturing processes, is aimed at creating a more sustainable future. Comfort in Polestar 4 is redefined with intelligent climate control, ergonomic seating, and a spacious interior that caters to both drivers and passengers. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of openness, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Rear passengers benefit from an immersive experience with the innovative rear display and entertainment system, ensuring that every journey is enjoyable and engaging. Polestar 4 is a true evolution of electric mobility, bridging the gap between high-performance engineering and sustainable innovation. It embodies a vision where technology, luxury, and sustainability coexist in harmony. Every drive in Polestar 4 is an experience of pure exhilaration, whether enjoying its precise handling, cutting-edge technology, or premium comfort. With its striking design, innovative features, and uncompromising performance, Polestar 4 is not just an electric vehicle, it is a statement of progress. It challenges conventions, redefines expectations, and sets new benchmarks for the future of electric mobility. The journey with Polestar 4 is not just about driving, it is about experiencing the future, today. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.